1 key DFU box, ST01. Operation guide. Boot it up by connecting to the power cable through the input interface. 3 color LED lights on simultaneously for power on self-test. Then connect the power and volume cable, which is well connected with the corresponding board, to ST01. Buckle the other end on the power and volume button on the phone. Power and volume cable soldering diagram is as follows. Disconnect the original flex cable and connect the corresponding model of flex cable to the phone. To better show how to enter the DFU and recovery modes of phone, install the phone screen and connect to computer. Press the power button 开机 and it will map the phone power button. Simulate the operation of power button. Press DFU. Yellow light flashing, program running. Wait for the phone to enter DFU mode automatically. Enter DFU mode successfully. Long press DFU. Yellow light flashing, it is exiting DFU mode. Press recovery. Green light flashing, program running. Wait for the phone to enter recovery mode automatically. Enter recovery mode successfully. Long press recovery. Green light flashing, it is exiting recovery mode. If there is MIS operation during program execution, which leads to unmatched statuses between the device and the phone, double-click the corresponding button to terminate the program, restore the phone to its initial state, and restart the operation. Press and hold the recovery and volume plus DFU plus simultaneously to enter exit simulation mode. 3 buttons are used to simulate the power button, volume up and volume down buttons of the mobile phone. It also supports to operate with combined buttons. Meet your needs.